So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about bacterial diseases and preventing disease. So ensure to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. In a previous video, we discussed about viral, fungal, and protist diseases. So ensure to check out the video if you've not seen it yet. Here in our lesson today, we'll focus on bacterial diseases. So we'll need to talk about two bacterial diseases. First, Salmonella is a type of bacteria that causes food poisoning. Infected persons can suffer from fever, stomach cramps, vomiting, and diarrhea. These symptoms are actually caused by the toxins that the bacteria produce. One can get Salmonella food poisoning by eating food that has been contaminated by Salmonella bacteria. So the next disease, gonorrhea, is a sexually transmitted disease. So like we know, STDs are gotten from sexual contacts. Example, having unprotected sex. A person with gonorrhea will feel pains when they urinate. Another symptom is a yellow or green discharge from the vagina or the penis. Gonorrhea was originally treated with antibiotics called penicillin. But today, strains of the bacteria have become resistant to it. So to prevent bacteria, people are treated with antibiotics, and they should use barrier method of contraception, such as the use of condom. So there are a number of ways we can reduce or prevent diseases around us. This includes being hygienic to prevent the spread of pathogens, destroying vectors which may carry these pathogens to people, isolating infected individuals to prevent the spread of these diseases from one person to another, and also vaccinating individuals so that they can't get the disease and pass it on to others. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.